Hey, you kids watch it. I'm resting here.
Oh my! Are you okay? Did you just fall out of the tree?
Yeah, I did. And it hurt, too. I dropped all the nuts I'd foraged as well.
We're really sorry. It won't happen again.
Yeah, because this place is getting rid of all the trees anyway.
What was that?
Oh, you haven't heard. They're planning on destroying this place and putting more buildings here. They said it's for the good of the nation.
Good of the nation? Don't they understand these actions can be bad for the world?
What do you mean?
Let me show you. Oh, also, my name is Dave. Lord Squirrelington, I come before you to ask an important question.
Dave, I'm not sure why you insist on kneeling every single time you come to visit, but what is your question?
My new friends here need to know the importance of trees. Can you help them understand?
Why didn't we ask NARUTOAST? We probably wouldn't have had to walk so far.
To understand why we need the trees, we need to go up. Long ago, before construction was such a massive industry, there were many trees, with many creatures living inside them. After a while, it was decided that more things needed to be made, and that the trees were needed for this too. The trees are now cut down, and the wood from them is used for houses, buildings, furniture, and so many other things. When they take too much, though, it hurts us creatures.
That's terrible!
It is, but that's not even the worst part. What they fail to realize is that trees are what help us to breathe. They create oxygen, which is a gas that lives in the air, but it's a good one, and it helps us all to breathe. They also help to get rid of carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide. It's another gas that's in the air, but too much of it can be dangerous. Trees help with this through a process known as photosynthesis. What happens is the trees and other plants absorb water using their roots, light energy from the sun, and carbon dioxide from the air. This process turns those ingredients into oxygen, which goes back into the atmosphere and helps us breathe healthily. They also produce a type of sugar, which is spread throughout the tree to keep itself alive.
So by getting rid of these trees, we're losing air?
Not so much air, but we are losing oxygen and raising carbon dioxide levels. We need to stop tearing down the trees and start growing more of them.
They're coming!
Who is coming?
The construction workers. Not on our watch.
Alright, let's start knocking this place down.
Wait! You can't knock down the trees! We need them!
Yeah, and I need my paycheck, so you better get out of the way.
No, I'm not moving. This is their home. They live here, and you can't take that away from them.
We need trees to breathe! Don't you understand this?
Yeah, but we've got to get paid. We've got a job to do here.
I've got it! What Lord Squirrelington forgot to mention is that we live in this thing called an ecosystem. Basically, it is how we all need other things like plants and creatures to survive.
Not following.
There's a type of order to the natural world. Every creature relies upon something else to live. The trees rely upon the sun and water. Us squirrels rely upon the food the trees give, like nuts. And other creatures rely on insects or other animals in order to survive. It all comes back around, because we, and even you, rely on the trees too.
So it's okay to cut down some trees because you eat leaves?
It's okay to cut some down because it won't hurt us, but cutting down too many of them will.
Afterwards, we can plant more trees and make sure this forest area is safe for all of you.
I think that works for us.
Thank you for saving our homes. We are forever grateful.
It was no problem.
We'd do it again in an instant.
Please take this leaf as a token for our gratitude. May it be a reminder that trees are important.
Wow, what a day!
Yeah, it was. Who knew that all that would happen in one day?
I hope they'll be okay without us. They were kinda cool.
They were fine, I guess.
I agree. It was a fun day, and we did learn a lot.
Yeah, I guess so. Who knew you could learn all this stuff?
I did.
Hey, NARUTOAST, how come you didn't come with us today?
Sometimes you need to let people figure things out by themselves.
Huh. Okay, sure. You're a funny little toaster, you know that?
I did know that. Thank you.